Now, I am thrilled. Absolutely. I'm going to skip ahead to this one because I am stinking thrilled to show this one to you. This one's amazing. This one's amazing. It is item number 931009. Oh, Quilty says, I want it all. I guess I'll be eating cheap ramen for a few months while I play with all the goodies. Yes, Quilty, but you know what? I want you to follow Ruth Debbie, and I want you to start selling your creations so then you can buy whatever you want whenever you want, right? That's like the best way to do it, because then anything you use making Stamps of Life products, you can sell. Yes, all of these items are exclusive to HSN. So if you are, hang on, I got a hair right here. If you are out of the United States, find a shipping buddy on our official Facebook fan page, Stamps of Life official fan page. Find a shipping buddy. We have people that are willing to let you ship it to their house, and then you pay them the shipping to ship it to your house if you're international, because I know HSN doesn't ship international, and I don't want you to miss out. This one has been requested by so many people, and I finally got it done. I'm so excited about this one. Are you ready? Get set. It is a slimline, meaning it fits in Norma, it's Tuesday. It's Tuesday. It is a slimline Nutcracker fold-it die set, and it fits in a business size envelope. Look at how large and in charge this guy is. What does it look like? Look at this. Look at this. You are getting all of these pieces. You're getting the extra pieces. Let me go to 3. This one's easier. You are getting all of these pieces. You're getting the extra pieces so you don't have to die cut this one 1,000 times, right? You're getting all of these little pieces to decorate him, the extra eyes to put on top to decorate, adding his little mustache, all these pieces, right? You're getting ideas, more on my website. Now, fits in a business envelope, you guys, a business size envelope. Now, look at this. I'm just like freaking out. We're going to look at some of these pieces because he is so majestic. I just love him. I love him. I love him. So there's lots of little pieces that you can add. But look, here we have, again, we're going to have the fold on the side for the slimline. You're going to die cut him probably out of any color you want. You could die cut him out of any color. Then you're going to add the pieces on top. Okay. What does that look like when finished? Let's grab one right. Ooh, this is a pink one. This is a pink one. I love when the design team does different colors than the reds. But look, here's a majestic looking one also. But look at how fun it is in the pink. Now, this one is, okay, you guys are freaking out already about this one. I love it too. 931009. 931009. Now, I want you to see other ways to use him. He can also go on a slimline card, right? He can also go on a slimline card. Oh, Barbara BC says her son-in-law collects nutcrackers. Yay. There we go. Or I got to make more room over here. I'm making a mess. Or, are you ready? Here's 2 cute other ideas. Just part of him. You could put him on a regular A2 card base and just use some of them. Just use some of them, which is so dang cute. I love this guy. Look at his fancy hat. I love it. Or use just his head on a step-up card. Look at how stinking cute that is. I absolutely love it. So there are lots of different ways you're going to use him. He is a fold-it card, so he's going to be made the exact same way. You can decorate him as much as you like. That is up to you. Make sure you're using your adhesive sheets. They did order a lot, Chris, but I want to make sure that you get your order in sooner than later on craft day, right? But look how stinking cute he is. You can add the little wiggly eyes to him if you want to. Look at, I just love him. I just love him. And you are getting all of those extra piece dies. So what I do when I design this is, instead of, like, let's say this little piece here on his hat is white. Well, instead of die cutting the whole enchilada in white, the whole little nutcracker in white, well, why not just die cut this little piece in white? And now you can just drop it right on top, right? So you get to add those extra pieces, and it just makes it so much easier if you have all of those pieces to die cut separately. So here you could die cut a whole bunch out of the glitter and just drop it right on top, right? So simple. Look at his little boots. Oh, a stuffy would be so cute, Ellen. I'm sorry, Jane said that. Stuffy, I know. Sherry, you're right. These items are not on hsn.com yet. They are not on their website. Make sure you have a pen out and some paper so you can write down these item numbers. This is item number 931009. 931009. When they go on the website on HSN, we are going to make sure we send out another email to let you know. But make sure you're writing down the item numbers that you really, really love, because you want to make sure you get the ones you love. I know the googly eyes are fun, aren't they? I know we have those on our website, but yes, we love those too.